Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this new weekly update on the daily thumbnail challenge. The theme of this week was Strongholds. I decided to get my own theme going, and I thought, you know what, I kind of want to do something castle-y, maybe fantasy, medieval, but also some sci-fi stuff. So I just had this idea of Strongholds in my head, and I decided to roll with it. If you have any theme you would like to see, please let us know in the comments down below, and hopefully we can use your theme during an upcoming week of thumbnail sketches. Last week we used photographs as our base for the sketches. It provides a nice base. You have the colors in and some of the composition already. It just basically saves a lot of time. So we did that this week as well. We slapped some photos on, and sometimes we use layer effects, and sometimes we just paint it straight on top of the photograph. The total time of the 6 sketches was a little over 1 hour, a little bit 1 hour and 1 minute or something like that. So on average, it took us 10 minutes per sketch. However, the first sketch usually takes the longest, as was the case with this week as well, because then I have to get used to the new theme and figure out what am I going to use as my method. Just usually takes a little bit longer, and when I get in the flow during the week, it gets a lot faster, and the last two usually very fast. Overall, I can see an improvement in time spent on the sketch and the quality of the sketch. So the time I spend on the sketching goes down, and I think, that's my personal opinion, please let me know what you think. I think the quality, the overall quality, it goes up. Sometimes the quality is still quite bad and kind of meh, especially on this sketch, which I'm currently working on. I thought in the end it didn't really work well, and I could have done it a little bit better. I probably should have worked on it for 5 more minutes. But I think overall the detail level and the quality goes up while the time spent in the sketching goes down, and that's actually really good, because that means we're sort of improving and we're learning. And hopefully, well, my goal is to sort of not just decrease the time, maybe just spend the same amount of time each time on the sketches, so we can get the detail level up. So maybe at some point I will just say, you know what, I'm gonna spend 20 minutes per sketch, so that's 2 hours total in a week, and that way we will be able to have some quite nice finished thumbnail sketches. So that's what we're gonna plan. If you have any questions about my work method or anything, brush usage, canvas size, things like that, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna stop talking now because there's not that much to talk. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and as I said before, if you have questions, put them down in the comments below. If you have any suggestions on new themes, please leave them in the comments as well, because I take your requests on themes, and it gives me a nice challenge to get some themes that I didn't think of myself. That's actually really cool. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Enjoy the rest of the video with some nice music. Bye.